Ginger, the unsung hero of kitchens, teacups, and health remedies. But did you know this humble root hides secrets that could backfire if you're not careful? What if I told you ginger might cause unexpected side effects for certain people? Ginger isn't just about flavor. It's a nutritional gem. It contains vitamin C for a healthy immune system, magnesium to support muscles and nerves, potassium for balanced blood pressure, and antioxidants like gingerol that fight inflammation and free radicals. But how much do you really know about its power? By the end of this video, you'll discover why ginger is both a hero and a little bit of a rebel. Stick around, as this might just change the way you see this spicy root forever. Let's kick things off with why ginger is the MVP of your pantry. If you have a queasy stomach, ginger is your ally. Whether it's morning sickness during pregnancy, motion sickness on that dreaded road trip, or even post-surgery nausea, ginger's got your back. A small amount of ginger, around 1 to 1.5 grams, can significantly reduce morning sickness in these situations. Just remember to consult your doctor first, especially during pregnancy. Joint pain or sore muscles after a busy day? Ginger is like a natural ibuprofen. Studies show it reduces inflammation and can ease osteoarthritis pain. So, next time you're wincing, consider ginger tea instead of popping pills. Plus, it works well for monthly cramps and headaches too. Eating ginger could also keep your blood sugar steady. A study from the International Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that consuming 2 grams of ginger powder daily can reduce blood sugar levels. While this is promising, use ginger as a sidekick and don't ditch your meds. Are you tired of uncomfortable post-meal bloating? Ginger can aid digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and speed up stomach emptying. It is no wonder that some cultures drink ginger tea after eating. Now, before you run to the kitchen and start grating ginger into everything, let's pause for a reality check. While ginger's benefits are amazing, it does have some downsides. Let's break them down together. Consuming too much ginger can actually upset your stomach with heartburn or gas. The key is moderation. Stick to 1 to 2 grams per day, and you'll be golden. If you're taking blood thinners or are planning to have surgery, it's best to talk to your doctor before using ginger. Ginger has mild blood thinning properties, and combining it with these medications or procedures could increase the risk of bleeding. While rare, some people may be allergic to ginger. If you notice itchy skin or swelling after consuming ginger, it is best to avoid it entirely. Ginger can also interact with beta blockers, diabetes drugs, and anticoagulants. If you're taking any of these, consult your doctor before regularly eating ginger. While small amounts of ginger are usually safe, it's generally recommended to separate the timing of ginger consumption and medication intake to minimize any potential interactions. What are your thoughts on ginger's potential benefits and side effects? Did anything surprise you, or was it what you expected? Let me know in the comments below. While ginger offers many excellent health benefits, certain groups should be cautioned with ginger. If you have a bleeding disorder or take blood-thinning medication, it's best to avoid ginger. Ginger has mild blood-thinning properties, so combining it with these medications could increase the risk of bleeding. Similarly, if you're planning to have surgery, it's recommended to avoid ginger and other herbal remedies that affect blood clotting for at least 2 weeks beforehand. If you have low blood pressure or take medication to lower it, ginger may further lower it. Pregnant women should also talk to their doctor before using ginger regularly, especially in late pregnancy. Now, if you're ready to enjoy the benefits of ginger safely, here are a few tips. A good general guideline is to start with 1 to 2 grams of fresh ginger per day. Fresh ginger is more potent and nutrient-rich than dried or powdered forms. If you plan to take ginger supplements or consume large amounts of ginger regularly, it's a good idea to consult the doctor, especially if you're also taking other medications. Looking for easy ways to add ginger to your diet? Simply slice some fresh ginger thinly and pour boiling water over it. Let it steep for a few minutes, and you have a soothing and warming ginger drink. You can even add a tea bag for a delicious ginger tea. If you find the taste of ginger a bit strong, try incorporating it into desserts like gingerbread. This is a tasty and approachable way for newcomers to experience the flavor of ginger. Ginger is truly a superfood, but like all good things, balance is key. If you want to know more about superfoods, here is another example with a similarly wide range of applications in food. Give this video a spicy thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to supercharge your health. As always, stay healthy and informed,